Frustrated with the Boo language runtime DLL pop-up blocking Boo project or Unity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin our Boo language runtime walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Boo language runtime, the core runtime library for the Boo programming language, a Python-inspired language for the CLI. It was a common scripting option for early Unity engine games. If missing, older Unity titles will crash immediately upon calling a script function, reporting a type load exception for the Boo namespace. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Since Boo language runtime DLL is an embedded part of the Boo project/Unity architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Boo language runtime file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please use caution. Replacing Boo language runtime DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Boo language runtime. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Boo language runtime. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.